The quetzal. Found in the mountains of Central America, the quetzal is a beautiful bird with males that show off bright metallic green bodies and a deep red chest, coupled with a distinctively long twin tail that can grow up to 3.3 feet or 1 meter in length. The quetzal was once considered a sacred animal with the Aztec and the Maya and was even referred to as the rare jewel bird of the world. Cape Heron. With its muffled feet, you will have trouble finding this reclusive creature. The Cape Heron is distinguished from other herons by its yellow neck, distinctive black cap, and blue bare skin in the face and base of the bill. Though hard to find in the wild, this bird is not considered to be endangered. The Bali bird of paradise. Found on the island of New Guinea, it is unlikely that you will ever see one in person because they live in some of the most inaccessible areas of the world. These birds are strikingly beautiful and are known for their weird, sometimes comical behavior, such as hanging upside down from branches. Curl-Crested Aracari. It's Toucan Sam. Fruit Loops, anyone? On a serious note, the Curl-Crested Aracari is a stunningly beautiful and yet so bizarre species of toucans that is among the largest in the Aracari family. Its name comes from its unusual crest, which has black, short, glossy, curly feathers. Surprisingly, this bird is not endangered, but its natural habitat has been threatened by mining. Inca tern. These Peruvian wanderers have mustaches, and not just the males, females do too. This comical-looking species is found only near the cold waters of the Humboldt Current, where they nest in groups of several thousand. Lilac-breasted roller. The national bird of both Kenya and Botswana, the lilac-breasted rollers are known for their dazzling array of colors, which include white, purple, blue, turquoise, green, black, and tan. These birds perform an impressive courtship fight with numerous dives and rolls, hence the name.